This is the quiet before the hurricane.
Sport demands physical conditioning and strength, and can be addictive. Just like driving a super sports car. A day begins. Still, it is quiet. Time for regeneration, because the next training entity requires endurance and concentration. A drive with a Lamborghini Huracán Spyder. The performance of this roadster does not allow for any physical weaknesses or mental deficiencies. Above all, its sound is pure enjoyment, which can be enjoyed uninsulated after 17 seconds. The sound experience is produced by a superb engine, the 5.2-liter V10 natural aspirated unit that Audi also uses in the R8. Apart from the sound, the engine also brings the lively performance and speed. After only 3.4 seconds, the Spyder breaks the 100 kilometers an hour mark. 0.2 seconds slower than the coupe, but that does not spoil the driving experience by any means. At 8,250 revolutions, the 610 horsepower reaches maximum power. Changing gear more directly than this 7-speed double clutch is not possible. A short tap on the big paddle and the gear is in before the word gear shift can be thought of. The electronically controlled and rear-mounted all-wheel drive with a mechanical locking differential ensures that the powerful 1.5-ton Lambo remains unshakable in its track if it has to. Like the engine speed, the pulse of the Huracan's driver is also being driven up, sport in its most beautiful form. After a wild ride with the loud booming engine in the back, time for a cool down and enough peace and quiet to enjoy the heights climbed. The Spyder version of the Huracan cost 220,000 euros. That is about 20,000 euros more than the coupe. Visually, it's not inferior to its close brother in any way. Aggressive look, hard edges. The hybrid chassis of the aluminum and carbon is surrounded by plastic in its most extravagant form. Particularly impressive, the rugged rear. The driver and passenger take their place directly in front of the engine compartment. The central console is similar to a command switchboard. The electronically adjustable seats are very convenient for a super sports car. Those who have more athletic ambitions can also opt for carbon shells. The start with launch control is the ultimate kick and allows the adrenaline level to go to unimaginable heights. But despite its impressive appearance, the Huracán Spyder is always good to handle. In the appropriate environment, it is also quite a connoisseur's car. At low speeds, it cruises relaxed and without any annoying jerks. It is a convertible with that something extra. Definitely a car that you want to drive again and again. But every day finally comes to an end. Relax, breathe, far away from the load limit. Saying goodbye is difficult. But the endorphins remain in the blood.
The Huracán Spyder is a technical masterpiece, but some delicacies even make something excellent appear suddenly dull.